Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 21st January 2026, Nifty index opened negative and followed selling cues right from the start of the session and nosedived to break all its crucial support levels. It bled throughout the day and fell to the last tick to touch intraday low of 25,171 marks near its 200 daily exponential moving average to finally close with losses of around 350 points. It wiped off the gains of the last 2 months and formed a big bearish candle on the daily frame with bears in full control. India VIX was up by 7.6% to 12.7 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.72. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,700 to 25,700, while immediate range is in between 24,900 to 25,500. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 2,191 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,755 crores. FIIs index long-short ratio decreased to 9.2%. Going ahead with the index outlook, derivatives data and price setup suggest till the time Nifty holds below 25,250, weakness could be seen towards 25,000 and 24,900. While hurdles have now shifted lower to 25,350 and 25,500 low. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 59,500, weakness could be seen towards 59,000 levels, while on the upside, hurdle can be seen at 59,800. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Hindustan Zinc, Tata Consumer, Vedanta, SBI, Godrej Consumer, and Muthoot Finance. While some weakness could be seen in Havells, UPL, Lodha, Delivery, Eternal, Indian Hotels, Jio Finance, and RVNL. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.